Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to simply fade to black in Filmora. It's pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First thing you will need to do is to select your clip. Once you have your clip selected, go over to Video and Basic. Then go right here where you see Opacity. Now the opacity is 100%, and as you can see, as I drag it down to 0, it goes all the way to the black. First thing you will need to do in order to fade your clip to black is get your playhead where you want to fading to black to begin. Then click this diamond button next to opacity. As you can see, it will create this point, and at this point of the time, the opacity will be 100%. Then move your playhead where you want fade to black to end, and move your opacity all the way to the 0. And now this point has appeared, and that means that in this point the opacity will be 0%. Now as I play it back, you can see it is fading to black. You can do the same thing at the beginning, so fade into black from black, so click opacity 0 to create a keyframe, and then go all the way to 100. And this should look something like this. If you want to make your fade to black shorter, just move keyframes closer together, and now as you can see, fade to black instantly. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.